to a brand new video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about Robinhood and how to access it from your laptop or your PC. First, we log in on the top right, and I will be logging in by myself, so I'm just going to pause the video and log in. And after you log in, you're going to see the screen like in the mobile phones. And what you do is you actually can see your own portfolio here. You can click on all to see your portfolio. So as you guys can see that I have a $20 stocks. And also, by the way, I will provide the free link for the invitation for the Robinhood, and you can easily sign up and get an account. Make sure to use my code because when you use my code, you get a free stock, and also I receive a free stock as well. And you make me get money and you also get money in return. So I'm just being like honest with you guys. So you can click on the thing and you can let's see what's gonna happen. After it loads, you can review order and you can buy this stock. You can check the chart before you buy something. Make sure to check the chart to see if it's a scam or not. You can tell the amount here. You can press $10 and it will show you the estimated quantity of the stock. And you can review order. And after you click on review order, it's going to ask you for your bank credentials. And you're going to click on buy. And then it will it will tell you to use your statement balance or not. So I will be providing my own link in the description, so make sure to use that. Again, you can click on investing and you can see that there's trending coins here. You can click on crypto, altcoins, 100 most popular daily movers, consumer goods, real estate. You can click on real estate and it will show you the real estate stocks, like those companies that are constructing those huge apartments, huge houses for sale. And you can also find, if you go down, you will find some news that are associated with the stocks. So this is really cool. Make sure to use it, and you can click on retirement and it will make you a retirement plan for your IRA, and you can click on get started and you can do that as well. So you can click on rewards and you can see that the rewards that you receive, and you can also share your own link. Make sure to share your link with your friends and you can start making money. And that's basically it for this video. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Thank you all so much.